We just try to build that particular whole child, because we do try to provide them a very nourishing emotional environment. And not only that, but just greet them and allow them to be themselves. They run to you and they hug you. They come like this because that's where you instill the trust in them. This is like their second home. Why do you think the plant is growing? We allow them that sense of cognition to grow by them answering the question. We have each other's back. It's just like they're resilient. And like I say, how can you not help a child? Just being able to point out the fact of what brought me here in the beginning, it's very inspiring.